Hey there, homeowners. Got a leaky faucet or a clogged drain that's driving you nuts? Well, if you're in Mount Holly, North Carolina, I've got some great news for you. Meet Mount Holly Plumbing, your go-to solution for all things plumbing, both residential and commercial. Here's the deal. Whether it's a minor repair or a major overhaul, these guys have got you covered. Imagine this. You're dealing with a sudden plumbing emergency. Call 980-385-7642. And you'll get fast, reliable service from skilled professionals who know what they're doing. Mount Holly Plumbing isn't just about quick fixes. They handle everything from routine maintenance to complex installations. Got a new water heater that needs setting up? No problem. Need your sewer lines checked? They do that too. And the best part? They make sure the job is done right the first time, saving you time and money. Residential or commercial, big or small, Mount Holly Plumbing tackles it all. And let's not forget about customer service. They're friendly, professional, and always ready to help. It's like having a neighbor who's also a plumbing expert. So why wait? If you're in Mount Holly and need a plumber, grab your phone now and dial 980-385-7642. That's 980-385-7642. Seriously, save the number. 980-385-7642. Trust me, you'll want Mount Holly Plumbing in your contacts. Because when plumbing problems strike, you need someone you can depend on. Call now and experience the best plumbing service in Mount Holly, North Carolina. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, Mount Holly Plumbing, 980-385-7642. See you next time.